Ag Progress Days started as an exposition for hay and forage. You know, we're a forage growing state, and we've got a lot of hay and forage growers, whether it be on dairy operations or beef cattle operations. We've got a lot of folks here that bring a lot of equipment from all corners of the state. They exhibit it, but then just a small percentage of them decide, okay, we're going to go ahead and go that extra step, and we're going to actually run it in the field and actually demonstrate it in front of the crowd, in front of potential customers. So at Ag Progress Days, I'm one of the coordinators of the equipment demonstrations that we do. We do mowing and tedding of hay crops in the morning. At lunchtime this year, we're chopping corn silage. And then after that, something totally new for us is we had manure spreaders agree to actually want to demonstrate their equipment, not by spreading manure in front of 250 or 300 people that may not have a nose for manure, but some compost that we've been making here the last couple of years. So they spread compost on the corn stubble that we had just chopped. And then after lunch, we came over to the field where I'm standing now and had some rakes and mergers, you know, bring the hay that was all laid out flat yesterday, brought it together into windrows and allowed round balers to go ahead and roll that up into the round bales that we see here next to me and behind me.